In this video, we will be giving you a full tour and finish off with an honest review of the Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya. Make sure to stay till the end to see if it's worth the visit. Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya is a luxurious, adults-only all-inclusive resort nestled on the breathtaking coastline of the Riviera Maya, Mexico. The resort offers natural beauty, serenity, and romance, making it an ideal location for a luxurious vacation. With its pristine beaches, lush surroundings, and exceptional amenities, the Hyatt Zilara is a perfect getaway destination for adults seeking a memorable experience. The Cancun International Airport is a 44-minute drive from the Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya. We'll start with the accommodations. The Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya features 291 stylish and spacious rooms and suites, with luxe bathrooms and fully furnished balconies overlooking the sea and sand. The king or double room is the most commonly booked room. The room is spacious, with 474 square feet and can accommodate up to 4 guests. The bedding options include either a king or double bed. The extra spacious bathroom is a highlight of the room, offering a luxurious spa-like experience. For guests who want swim-up access, the Oceanfront Swim-Up King is a top room choice. The room offers stunning views of the water and a semi-private pool accessed directly from the balcony. At 678 square feet, the room is spacious and includes upgraded amenities, personal butler service, and one king bed. Guests can enjoy a range of entertainment options on the 55-inch flat-screen HD TV or unwind with a cup of coffee or tea made from the Nespresso coffee or tea maker. Other amenities include individual climate control, blackout curtains, minibar refreshed daily, hair dryer, iron and ironing board, bathrobes, slippers, and an in-room safe. Now onto the food. The Hyatt Zilara offers a range of dining experiences that cater to all tastes. From a la carte gourmet meals to casual snacks and drinks, the resort's skilled chefs use fresh local ingredients to craft delicious dishes that reflect the region's rich culinary traditions. Capri Grill offers grilled entrees and coastal Mediterranean cuisine in a chic, modern setting. Tempest offers a tasteful fusion of traditional and modern Asian cuisine served around a sushi bar and teppanyaki tables. El Comedor is a chef-driven buffet that offers a wide range of gastronomies and cultural dishes. Coffee Republic is perfect for a morning coffee or afternoon snack with a selection of gelato, pastry, and tight bites. Lola Beach serves Latin-inspired seafood and cocktails right on the beach. Legend Sports Bar is perfect for catching a game and enjoying some drinks and bar bites. The Market, which is coming soon, will serve as a food and beverage concierge for guests to book romantic dinners or attend a chef's tasting. Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya also offers premium private dining for a romantic candlelit dinner on the beach or a special evening with loved ones. Guests can contact the concierge to arrange private dining experiences at an additional cost. For guests who prefer dining in the comfort of their rooms, the resort offers 24-hour in-suite dining with fresh fare and delicious snacks. Guests can order room service any time of day or night. Overall, dining at the resort is an experience for the senses. The Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya has exciting swimming and water sports activities that will keep you entertained throughout your stay. Lounge by the beachfront pool or take a refreshing dip in the dual-temperature hot tubs. You can also join water aerobics classes or relax in a canopy-covered cabana while sipping a cocktail from the swim-up bar. The resort's all-inclusive outdoor amenities provide the perfect setting for hours of sun-soaked enjoyment. Whether you are seeking relaxation or adventure, there is something for everyone. The resort has you covered. If you want to stay fit and active during your stay, you can do so with a variety of fitness and land sports activities. The resort offers a state-of-the-art gym with modern equipment, including cardio machines, weightlifting stations, and free weights. You can also join fitness classes such as yoga, Pilates, or Zumba, held at different locations throughout the resort, including the beach and pool areas. For those who prefer outdoor activities, the resort offers land sports such as beach volleyball, soccer, and tennis. There are also scenic jogging trails for guests who want to explore the lush tropical surroundings while getting in some exercise. All of these activities are included in the all-inclusive package, so guests can enjoy them at no additional cost. The Hyatt Zilara has a range of daily entertainment and activities for guests to enjoy. Whether you're in the mood for live music, culturally inspired shows, or a lively DJ performance, the resort has got you covered. The talented performers will keep you entertained with their incredible talent and passion for their craft. The Zen Spa at the resort is a must-visit destination for guests seeking a serene and rejuvenating experience during their stay. The spa is inspired by Mayan traditions and is designed to help you find inner peace and balance through the stimulation of your senses. The architecture of the spa takes inspiration from the four cardinal directions and the key elements of Mayan cosmology, ensuring that you are transported to a place of calm and tranquility from the moment you step inside. The Zen Spa offers a range of services including massages, facials, body wraps, and more, all designed to pamper and restore your body and mind. The hydrotherapy experience is a highlight of the spa and is a unique way to relax and soothe your muscles. You can enjoy the hydrotherapy experience from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily, while spa services are available from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. The Hyatt Zilara is the perfect romantic destination for couples seeking a relaxing and intimate escape. From the breathtaking sunset views to the soothing sounds of the ocean waves, the resort sets the perfect romantic ambiance. To make your stay extra special, the resort offers a dedicated romance concierge who can help you plan and create unforgettable moments. You can indulge in a romantic candlelit dinner under the stars or share a couple's massage on the beach. Additionally, the resort offers exclusive private dining opportunities for couples where you can enjoy a candlelit dinner on the beach or a special romantic dinner in the privacy of your suite. Now it's time to be honest. The Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya is a new resort that has caught the attention of travelers from all over the world. Despite being relatively new, there is already a wealth of information available about the resort online. We have conducted extensive research and looked into recent reviews on TripAdvisor to gather information on what guests have experienced during their stay. Overall, the reviews have been very positive, with an excellent 4.5 out of 5 total ratings. The majority of visitors have highly recommended the resort to anyone considering a stay in the area. They have praised the beautiful location, the excellent amenities, and the friendly and attentive staff. However, there have been some disappointed visitors who were expecting a brand new resort but found out that the resort was undergoing renovations in some areas. It is important to note that these areas were limited and the rest of the resort was in pristine condition. Despite this, the majority of visitors had a wonderful experience and enjoyed every other aspect of the resort. They have praised the cleanliness, comfort, and quality of the accommodations, as well as the variety and quality of the food and drinks. Visitors have also appreciated the variety of activities and entertainment options available at the resort. In conclusion, while there have been some areas of the resort that require renovations, the majority of visitors have had an enjoyable and memorable experience at Hyatt Zilara Riviera Maya. The resort has received a high rating on TripAdvisor, with many guests highly recommending the resort to others.